In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PDF title in Properties using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Changing a PDF's title is a quick way to clean up how your document appears in tabs, search results, and document libraries. Remember, the title is part of the PDF's metadata. It's different from the file name you see in your folders. The title is what many viewers and browsers display at the top of the window. So getting it right can make your files easier to recognize and more professional. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you are in Acrobat Pro DC, not just the free reader, since you'll need access to the full document properties controls. Once your document is open and active, we'll head straight to the properties. Go to the top menu and click File. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl-D on Windows or Command-F-D on a Mac. Either way, you'll see the Document Properties dialog box appear. This is the control center for your PDF's metadata and viewing options. Within this dialog box, confirm that the Description tab is selected. This tab is where you'll find the key metadata fields, including title, author, subject, and keywords. We're focusing on the title field. If you don't see the Description tab at first, look across the top of the dialog box. It's usually the first tab. Click in the title field and type the new title you want. Think of this like the headline that represents your document wherever it's displayed. Keep it concise, descriptive, and consistent with how you name your content elsewhere. This won't change any text inside the PDF pages. It only updates the metadata. If you are copying a title from somewhere else, double-check for extra spaces or unwanted characters, and avoid including any confidential details. Once you are happy with the new title, click OK to close the dialog box. To make the change permanent, go to File and choose Save. If you want to keep the original file name while updating the title, you can use File and then Save as to create a new copy. After saving, some apps may not show the updated title until you close and reopen the PDF. So don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly in your window or tab title bar. That's it. Thanks for watching.